So I just arrived in Cancun, gonna rent a car, then I'm gonna head to Tulum, meet up with the builder. We gotta discuss materials, we gotta discuss any changes we want to the villa. I want a few changes done. It's going to be beautiful, but I need some personal touches. And then we're going to explore Tulum just to see what Tulum has to offer in terms of restaurants, excursions, things to do, because obviously we're going to need to know this if we're going to be listing it on Airbnb and for short-term rental purposes. And then, which was actually pretty nice, that the builder offered his beachfront villa that we're going to stay in for the week. And after that, going to be meeting with lawyers to finalize the agreements, and then heading back, and then I'll have to come back in a month to review all the changes or the progress. Apparently it's going to take about 4 to 5 months. He wants to get it done a lot faster, but we'll see.
And here we will have an island.
Oh.
Okay?
Yeah.
All this is going to be kitchen. And you have the dining.
Yeah.
And you have, we're not going to use those ones, we're going to use other nice ones. And then you have a TV area there, no? The roofs, the ceilings, they are going to come as high as that, the third step.
Okay.
Okay, the third 1 to 3, that's the height of the ceilings. Because this air conditioning,
Okay. So yeah.
this has 0. So in the advances,
Yeah.
so you feel comfortable.
Yeah.
Like we need to that we call it reach when we do just the thing like that.
Okay.
This is el revoco, that it goes thicker.
I see.
And then we put a smooth coat.
Yeah.
I let it stay like that for a while because if you see my walls, they are not cracked.
Yeah.
Because I let the concrete crack and then I put the finish.
I see.
Okay? But if you see, this was there done, upstairs is done.
Yeah.
So there's not a lot of leftover. Of course, when I take that out, this is going to be more.
side.
Alrededor de la alberca.
So currently on the way to my lawyer's office in Cancun, Mexico. We are going to be negotiating terms with the builder, which is going to be interesting. Going to be first time negotiating kind of pre-construction terms for a villa project. I can already tell the builder is a great guy, very passionate, so it's going to be an interesting conversation. But I always recommend, like, you know, when you're dealing in a different country, you need to have your lawyers. You need to have really good lawyers. We have a good lawyer. He's protecting us legally. You need to have a good realtor. Matt is my realtor. I've known him for years. Actually went to high school with him. So you just need to have a good, solid team with you, especially when you're dealing in a different country. So that's where we're going now. And then after that, I think he wants to just go through some materials. We'll probably go back to the property. We'll view that again. And that's about it. We are here at the villa that is being built. As you can see, the structure is up. Here is the pool. It's going to be a 6-bedroom villa and roughly around 75 to 8,000 square feet. The rooftop is going to be amazing because it's going to be like the whole roof up top. This area is the kitchen. It's getting dark. It gets dark here very early. It's going to be the kitchen. This is going to be the living room. There's going to be a second floor and then a rooftop. So one of the bedrooms are here on the main floor. Over here is the bathroom. This is one of the bedrooms. Overlook the pool. And then that's going to be 2 other bedrooms over there. We're like deciding if there should be a rooftop on this one. But we're trying to figure out what we would actually put up on that roof. Don't think we need the extra space. We're also going to add solar panels on the roof so the property is more energy efficient. So I decided to build a villa in Tulum because I was originally looking for a villa to buy, and I've been looking for about 1.5 years now. And I'm very picky, as you can see. So there was this opportunity where I already like the size, I already like kind of the look of some of the developers' other properties. So, and then now I can kind of come in and implement some of my personal touches to this villa. So that's why I think it makes sense to buy or to complete this one. And Tulum, I think it's just a great destination. A lot of people are coming here for vacation. It's very close to Canada. It's very close to the US. And again, this is just one asset, right? Ideally, this one, and then maybe one more in Mexico, and then we'd look in other countries, right? We'd potentially look in Dubai, look in Bali, maybe even Rio. The idea is to have like these kind of locations all over the world, right? Because this creates location freedom, right? While you're not here, you're making money, but then when you want, you can come and stay anytime you want. So that's kind of the goal around all this short-term rental venture and creating villas or purchasing villas all around the world. But this one's going to be nice. I think, 4 or 5 months it'll be finished. So first quarter of next year, 2026. Looking forward to it.